Hello viewers, today I will share with you 5 habits of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These are daily life 5 habits. If you follow these habits, you will be healthier, you will have less stress, and you will be more productive. So without wasting any time, the first habit of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was smiling. Every person who used to meet him, he used to meet with the people with a smile. So that is something which is proven in the science, that if you smile and if you interact with the people with a smile, chances are that they will feel better. If they are facing some anxiety, some stress, they will also feel better. And this is the reason that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that smile is a charity. If you are meeting your brother, meet him with a smile. This is a charity, and you get blessings of Allah based on your this act. So one thing is that you are getting the scientific benefits, you are getting benefits for your health, your relationships will improve, and the other thing is that you are also getting a blessing from Allah. So what a wonderful habit. The second thing is that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to all the time drink while sitting. When they used to drink water, they used to drink water by sitting, and they used to drink water in the 3 breaths. And this is something which has been proven in the science, that if you continuously drink water, if you drink like 1 glass of water without a breath, chances are that you will feel laziness, you will feel dizzy. And in order to get the maximum impact of the liquid, as per science, that you should drink by sitting. And this is something which, if you are going to implement in your life, you will be more healthier, your digestion system will be better. And the third habit of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was eating less. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised all the Muslims, all his companions, that make sure that you're not eating, you're not all the time filling your stomach while eating anything. They used to say that eat as much as you need. So this is something which is proven in the science, that if we eat less, we are putting less pressure on our stomach, we are putting less pressure on our digestion system. And if we are eating less, then our mind also feels more productive and we stay healthy. This is some habit which has been proven as a preventable thing, as something which can prevent you from several diseases if you are eating less. And the fourth habit of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was using miswak. Miswak has been recommended by World Health Organization in 2008. One of the report, they recommended the people to use the miswak. It has multiple benefits. The first benefit, obviously, you will not have it will solve all the breath problems, all the smell problems. It will also make your teeth white, or even your teeth will not get impacted because of germs and these things. So this is something which has been endorsed by the different World Health Organizations, by different health organizations, even the World Health Organization. And fifth habit of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the exercises, was the activity. For Muslims, offering daily 5 prayer is something which is the basic duty of every Muslim. But it is also important for the non-Muslims, because all the 5 moves in the prayer are just like kind of yoga, and they help you to stay healthier, to stay better in life. And the other thing is that before offering prayer, you are supposed to clean your hands, you're supposed to wash your face, you're supposed to wash your feet, and all these things. So this helps you in staying clean. So this is also kind of exercise, that when you're washing your hands, when you're washing your face, and then when you are offering the prayer, this is also an exercise. And also Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised his companions that you must teach your children the swimming, the horse riding, all those, the archery, all these kind of playing things, all these kind of important physical things which are mainly focused on the exercise. So if you liked all these 5 habits, do share these habits with others. I'm sure if you are applying all these habits in your daily life, for sure you will have a healthier life, for sure you will live a life which will be much better. And these are the only habits which are not only limited to Muslims. You're not supposed to believe in Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, or in Allah. It does not matter whatever you are doing, because the habits of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, are not for only Muslims. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised every habit is for the humanity, and so far the science could explore these things. So this is what I wanted to share today. because the video is getting longer on this topic. I can talk for hours and hours, for hours and hours, but I know the stamina of the people that they cannot watch longer videos. But inshallah, I will upload videos on managerial thoughts of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, different books like Enjoy Your Life I'm reading these days. So I will keep sharing my advices, my things with you. One thing I would say, that as I have read more than 100 books from all-time best-selling authors, and then I'm studying Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, life, I would say that whenever a normal person, whenever a normal human being writes one book or says something that stays valid for some period of time, well, after some time that does not stay valid. Let's say in the motivational books, maybe before digitalization, the author were focusing that you need to be strong, you need to be muscular, you need to be brave, and all these type of things. But these days we know that because of the digitalization, the muscular tasks are being performed by the robots, while humans are supposed to be creative. So the point I'm trying to say, that the steps, the advices of all the motivational authors, all the best writers, self-help writers, they stay for a time duration. But as the time is passing, as the science is progressing, the habits of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the advices of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, are proving something which are mentally, which are spiritually, which are emotionally, which are on all aspects, on your physical health, important to you, and which should be shared with as many people as possible. If you find this video useful, please share it with others. Thank you so much.